In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital subscriptions on Wix. If you're looking to monetize your content or services, this is a straightforward way to engage with your audience on a subscription basis while maximizing your earnings. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Wix.com and click on Get Started. Here you'll create an account using your email, or if you prefer, via your Google or Facebook account. Once you've set up your account, you will be prompted to choose between letting Wix ADI, that's Artificial Design Intelligence, build your site automatically, or starting with a blank template. If you're looking for speed and ease, Wix ADI can provide a fast guided setup. However, if you're after full customization and creative control, opt for the Wix editor. After registering, click on Edit Site to begin personalizing your digital storefront. Now, navigate to your Wix editor, head over to Add Apps, and search for Wix Members area. Click Add to Site. This will automatically create a members area for you, which includes essential components like login and sign-up pages and a member profile page. A handy pro tip here: customize your sign-up form to capture crucial information such as names, emails, and preferences, ensuring you have the best understanding of your members' needs. Our next step is crucial for monetization. From the Wix dashboard, hover over Customer Management and select Pricing Plans. Click Create New Plan and set your plan details. These should include a catchy plan name, pricing structure, and the benefits your subscribers will receive, like access to exclusive pages or downloadable content. Remember, offering a free trial is a great way to encourage potential subscribers to sample your content before taking the plunge. Next, let's talk about adding subscription products to your store. You'll want to create a product page for each of your subscription boxes in the Wix editor. This is the perfect place to add the pricing plan widget. Also, make sure to customize your CTA or call to action buttons so they read something enticing like subscribe now or get your box. Also, quality counts, so include clear product descriptions and captivating imagery. Now on to setting up payment methods. Go to Settings and navigate to Accept Payments. Here you can connect to platforms like Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. Ensure recurring billing is enabled for subscription plans and test your payment setup using a sandbox environment or a small transaction. Trust signals, such as secure checkout badges, can enhance your customers' confidence. Finally, let's enhance the overall membership experience. Personalization is key here. Send welcome, renewal reminder, or content update emails via Wix automations. Consider creating a member dashboard where users can manage subscriptions and access content. Organize an exclusive content library as well, which might include videos, downloads, or courses exclusively for your members. Test the membership sign-up flow thoroughly, publish your website, and leverage Wix Analytics to track performance from member sign-ups to payment conversions and engagement levels. That's it, a comprehensive guide to selling digital subscriptions on Wix. Remember, collecting feedback from early adopters can help refine your offering. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.